Hi, my name is Jensen. This is my bike. I have the Sabrosa bar ends that aren't so good because they're chipping and shit, and they're metal. And metal shouldn't do that so easily. I have a bee right there that's following my bike. I have Duo grips, Sunday Broadcaster bars, 8.9 rise. Got a Demolition Monarch stem. Yeah. Odyssey headset. Yep. We have Shadow Voltus forks, chrome, a little whatever that is, scratch or something here. It looks pretty disgusting. Wheel is a Demolition tire, a Shadow something rim, stun I guess, I don't know what it's called, to a Primo N4FL. Yeah, and a peg, stolen. Volume midship frame, 21-inch top tube. Yeah. I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain, Colony sprocket, Colony glitter. I have one GT crank and one DK crank, I believe. DK, GT. A Shadow pedal and an FBM, nice pedal. Federal fat seat, pivotal, no seat post or seat clamp because it's integrated. I have a Primo Mix set hub, released to a Shadow rim again with the Odyssey Chase Hawk tire, and a few broken spokes here because I broke them today. So I think that's like 3. 2 are here and one's just missing. And yeah, just a steel peg stock off something. And Demolition bottom bracket, you can see here, with an animal dust cover. That's on my bicycle. Wow.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up and axing sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks. Honey's wanna chat.